Worcester Dental Associates, located at 88 Pleasant Street in Worcester, Massachusetts, specializes in dentures. Whether you require a full set of dentures, a partial denture, or an implant-supported denture, the dentists and staff at Worcester Dental will help restore your smile and let you eat all of your favorite foods again with the best fitting dentures. Worcester Dental Associates was voted Best Worcester Dentist and the best dentist in Central Mass, and has provided dentures for many happy patients since 1950. In fact, the founder of Worcester Dental Associates attained one of the first denture teeth patents in 1951. These denture teeth were used in the 1950s, 60s, and 70s, both at Worcester Dental and sold across the country. We have our own dental lab on site, making the process easier for our patients, as well as the final product being the best fitting dentures possible. So what exactly are dentures? Dentures are dental prosthetic devices used to replace missing teeth. They restore both the function of missing teeth so you can chew, and also restore your facial contours that can be lost when teeth are removed. Full or partial dentures have a gum-colored base made of plastic resin, which fits over the remaining bone that formerly held the teeth. The denture teeth are designed to look and function just like your natural teeth. Removable complete dentures can replace an entire upper or lower arch of teeth. They allow for you to chew and eat normally and also restore your facial contours and smile. At Worcester Dental Associates, we carefully craft your denture teeth to look as much like your own natural teeth as possible. Partial dentures are removable devices that replace some missing teeth, and they use your remaining teeth to stay in. They often have metal clasps that give you better retention and chewing function. Partials also allow you to keep any healthy teeth. Implant-supported dentures utilize metal screws called implants to help give you better retention for your dentures. The lower or upper denture is securely anchored using 2 or more dental implants. Many patients feel this option offers a great balance of comfort, functionality, and value. Call Worcester Dental Associates for affordable dentures that will bring back your smile.